What's up guys, this is Rahul Raj from College Dekho. Here is another video to help you make a better choice about your future. Are you someone who is interested in working in Merchant Navy, be it a sea time employment, offshore works, technical to non-technical employment? Well then, a career as a Chief Officer in Merchant Navy can be a great option for you. The main role of Chief Officer is to exchange goods from one place to another. It is majorly the backbone of any country. More than 90% of goods in this world are transported by ships. Let's go step by step and understand what all points you need to keep in your minds if you want to become a Chief Officer in Merchant Navy. Eligibility to become Chief Officer in Merchant Navy. To become a Chief Officer, it is important the candidate meet the following eligibility criteria. The candidate must have passed class 12th examination with physics, chemistry and mathematics as their main subject with an aggregate of 60% marks from any recognized board. Or candidate must have secured a BSc degree with an aggregate of 60% marks either in physics or chemistry. In both the above cases, the candidate must have also secured 50% marks in English in their class 12th examination. The age of candidate should not be more than 25 years at the time of admission, and the candidate must also have excellent eyesight with no color blindness. In addition to this, candidate also need to go through an extensive pre-sea training program for 1 year. Once the candidate are done with their training, they usually get appointed either as second mate, chief mate, or as a captain. Let's move on to the employment sector that hire chief officers. Some of the top sectors that hire chief officers are oil companies, cargo companies and agencies, shipping firms, and shipping corporations. There are a number of job profiles for chief officer that one can select as per their interest and goals. Some of the popular job profiles for chief officer in Merchant Navy are mentioned below. First, the captain. It is one of the Merchant Navy top level work profiles and is regarded as the commander of the ships. Their roles involves navigating the ships, allocating tasks, retaining disciplines, etc. They are also the representative of their ship. Second, the chief mate. Their job is to assist the captain and they are in charge of cargo planning and deck work. They are also responsible for the management work at the ships. The second mate or third mate, they are responsible for the maintenance of equipment and sometimes assist in cargo work. Fourth, the engineering officer. The job of engineering officer is to supervise the engineering room and perform practical tasks. Fifth, third engineering or fourth engineering officer. They are mainly responsible for maintaining the engineering room auxiliary and to maintain the boiler room temperature. Sixth, radio officer. Radio officer operate, maintain and repair radio devices in the ship. They also maintain electronic navigational aids like radar. They also record weather reports, position reports and other related data. Some of the top recruiting companies that hire chief officers are Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Gearware Offshore Service Limited, Pumpur Shipping, APJ Ship, etc. The main question that may strike in your mind is how much you can actually earn being a chief officer in Merchant Navy. Well, the answer is simple. If you have a decent education background and have completed your training, the starting salary of chief officer in Merchant Navy can be anywhere in between 5 lakhs per annum and goes up to 10 lakh per annum. You can also go through the role-wise salary breakup here. So, overall, if you have technical ability, problem solving skills and good communication abilities, then career as a chief officer in Merchant Navy can be a good choice. Check out all the details related to a career as a chief officer in Merchant Navy in the link given below. And do not forget to invade our comment section and leave your thought as well. Until next time, this is Rahul Raj from College Dekho signing off.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.